Hello students, welcome back to online video classes. Okay dear students, in previous video we started and introduced the lesson from the supplementary reader or an alien hand, the desert, third number chapter. We just introduced in previous video this lesson or chapter. So today we are going to discuss and explain this lesson line by line. This is very short lesson we will discuss in today's video. Here a desert is generally without water and vegetation. Okay, we know that what is meant by desert. Mostly in the desert we can see that there is no water or less vegetation in that area. It's called desert. Then a green patch with fresh water and green trees in the middle of a vast desert is beautiful sight. Okay, in deserted area we see what we see only like sand and other things, but we cannot see the water and vegetation. But sometimes there is green patch in the or green patch and the fresh water. If we see there, then it's look very beautiful for our sight. It look very beautiful for our eyes. मतलब वो हमें बहुत अच्छा दिखता है इतने डेजर्ट में पूरा। मतलब हमारी आंखें जल रही है। अगर आप डेजर्ट में जा रहे हो, धूप की वजह से आंखें जल रही है, लेकिन जब हम कुछ हरियाली देखते, पानी देखते, तो हमारे आंखों को क्या मिलती है? ठंडक मिलती है। Then a desert may be too hot or too cold. Okay, here we can see there are two types of desert are discussed in this lesson. One is it's very hot, too hot, and one is too cold or very cold. Okay, now we are going to discuss. Those of us who live in a regions covered with forest and surrounded by hills may find it difficult to imagine what a desert is really like. Okay, actually we living in the that area. It's covered with various trees, surrounded like hills. Some peoples or some villages are, we can see there hills, okay, mountains, and that's why we are going to we cannot find that desert in our surrounding. But it is very difficult to what is meant by desert to understand what is they are living in the विलेज एरिया. मतलब जो लोग ज़्यादातर विलेज में रहते हैं, जिनके आसपास फॉरेस्ट है, उसके बाद हिली एरिया है, तो वहां पर डेजर्ट समझना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल काम है. देन द पॉपुलर बिलीफ इज दैट it is an endless stretch of sand where no rain falls and therefore no vegetation grows. Okay, popular belief of this desert is what everyone thought about the desert is, in the desert we only see the endless sand. Everywhere we can see the sand. This is our popular belief. Okay, ये पुराना मानना है कि डेजर्ट में सिर्फ क्या होता है? बहुत सारी सैंड ही होती है and there is no rainfall. Okay, in desert we cannot see the rain. That's why we thought that there are no vegetation and no other trees grows there. Okay, this is our popular belief. But it is dry, hot, waterless and without shelter. But this is not entirely correct. Okay, we can see there is dry areas there, hot area there, and then also less water is there and without shelter. Most they're not we cannot see most shelters there. But this is not entirely correct. All the things are not correct. Why not correct? For those who have studied it, the desert can be beautiful place. Okay, whatever or the students who study about the desert, they can say that, or they can be say that this is very beautiful place, and we can also say that the desert is also beautiful place. Why? It is the home of variety of people. Okay, our common belief is that no one living in the deserted area, but there are people, they live in a deserted area. Animals also live in there, plants that have learned to live under very hot and dry condition, and they adjust there, like people, animals, plants. Some types of animals, some types of plants, they live there under very hot and dry condition. How to adjust there? They adjusted there. Okay, like animals like camel, vegetation like cactus. Okay, now true, the ground is not always hidden by a cover of grass, plants and trees, and as it is as it is in other climates. Okay, we know that this is the true thing. The ground, all ground is in deserted area is not hidden by cover, grass or trees or the plants. But why these things are not available? Because that area is very hot. But whenever it rains, which is rare, desert flowers bloom and the site can be as rewarding as that of any tropical garden. Okay, we know that it rains very less. Okay, बहुत कम बारिश होती है desert में. But when it rains, that deserted area it's look very rare. Sometimes only in few years, in few days for 1 year, we can see the flowers, deserted flowers. It's bloom and it look very beautiful for our sight. Okay, this is very rewarding for us, and it's look like a tropical garden in our surrounding garden. Whatever the flowers are there, it's look like that time. Okay, a desert is not always a flat, unchanging wasteland or dry site. Okay, mostly we discuss that we only see the limitless or endless sand in the deserted area, but it is not always true. Okay, there are we also say that the sand is there, that's why the area is very flat, okay, or plain, but it is not true. This thing change. How? It may have mountains and hills also. Okay, in deserted area we can see the mountains and hills made through or made with sand. It may have an oasis, big or small. Sometimes we can see the oasis. Oasis is like a pond. Oasis मतलब एक pond की तरह होता है, वहाँ पर पानी होता है. Then an oasis like a green island in the middle of desert, where a spring or well gives plants and trees a better chance to grow. Okay, here we can see oasis means it's like a pond, and in that surrounding there was some plants and trees survive with the help of that oasis. मतलब जहाँ पर एक जो डेजर्टेड एरिया होता है या वहाँ पर एक पॉन्ड होता है, लेक होता है, उसके आसपास, उसके ऊपर मतलब उसके साइड में, उस पानी के ऊपर बहुत सारे ट्रीज और प्लांट जिंदा रहते हैं. पानी थोड़ा होता है लेकिन वो सराउंडिंग में ग्रीनरी बन जाती है, उस वजह से उसे क्या कहा जाता है? ओएसिस कहा जाता है. A desert may be hot like the Thar or cold like Ladakh. Okay, there are two types of desert. Okay, it may have hot like Thar or cold like Ladakh. Okay, we just discussed there are two types of desert. Okay, and in the one area it's very hot and other area it's very cold. In Ladakh area, in Himalayan area, we can see there desert is cold desert, and Thar, Rajasthan is very hot desert. But generally speaking, if a place has little or no water and vegetation, people usually call it a desert. Okay, usually we or which area we call desert. There is no vegetation, there is no place to live there, there is no water available. It's called, or people called it desert. Okay, now we discuss and we know that there are two types of desert. One is hot desert and second is cold desert. Some deserts are almost totally without water. Okay, some deserts are almost totally without water. There is no water available in that deserted area. Long space. There is no water available there. Then in such places, strong winds blow raising hills of sand and depositing them as mounds. Okay, like this area, the strong winds blow raising hills of the sand and depositing them as mounds. Okay, what they do, what the winds can do? Winds क्या करती है? हवा के झोंकों से सैंड को बहाकर ले जाती है, तो उसके कुछ जगह पर डिपॉजिट किया जाता है और उसके क्या बनते हैं? माउंट्स बनते हैं, टीले बनते हैं. These are called sand dunes. ओके, उसे क्या कहा जाता है, सैंड ड्यून्स कहा जाता है। और सैंड ड्यून्स मतलब जो डेजर्टेड एरिया में जो टीले बनते, टेकड़ी जो बनती, तो उसे सैंड ड्यून्स कहा जाता है। That shift and move endlessly across the desert. Few plants can survive on such a dry shifting sands. Okay, here you can see that the sand dunes available there, and this sand can endlessly across the desert for shift here to there, and it makes sand dunes, and then it makes mounds, and then it's called sand dunes. And some of the plants, only few plants can survive on such dry shifting sand. Okay, this type of sand, only few, we can say that only few plants can survive there. Okay, here one point we just finished. Okay, so dear students, there is another one part is remaining to discuss. So dear students, today we stop here. Comprehension check is there, but we can discuss this comprehension check and last comprehension check and the question answer in when we finish the lesson. Okay, so one part of this desert is over, and next video we will discuss the remaining part of this desert lesson. So today we stop here. Thank you very much.